Have you ever wondered if SoFi Bank, with its sleek online platform and innovative financial products, actually has a brick-and-mortar presence? In this video, we're diving deep into the question, does SoFi Bank have physical locations? SoFi, short for social finance, burst onto the financial scene with its disruptive approach to personal finance. Offering everything from student loan refinancing to investing and personal loans, SoFi has quickly gained a loyal following. But with the rise of digital banking, many consumers are curious about whether traditional banks are still relevant. The digital-first model. Understanding SoFi's philosophy, SoFi has always positioned itself as a digital-first bank, emphasizing convenience and accessibility. This means that they've chosen to focus on building a robust online platform rather than investing heavily in physical branches. The benefits of online banking. We'll explore the advantages of online banking, such as 24/7 access, lower fees, and the ability to manage finances from anywhere. SoFi's virtual branches. SoFi Money. While SoFi doesn't have traditional branches, they do offer a virtual banking product called SoFi Money. This account provides features like cashback rewards, fee-free ATMs, and a high-yield savings rate. The SoFi experience. We'll delve into the SoFi Money experience, highlighting how it's designed to mimic the convenience of a physical bank while maintaining the benefits of online banking. The need for physical presence. Customer preferences. We'll discuss the varying preferences of customers, with some preferring the personal touch of a physical branch and others finding online banking more convenient. The role of physical branches. We'll explore the traditional roles of physical branches, such as providing in-person financial advice and handling complex transactions. SoFi's partnerships. Expanding access. SoFi has partnered with various financial institutions to expand its reach and provide customers with more physical access points. ATM networks. We'll discuss how these partnerships allow SoFi customers to access their funds at ATMs across the country. The future of banking. Hybrid model. We'll explore the possibility of a hybrid model, where banks combine the best of both worlds, digital convenience and physical presence. SoFi's potential. We'll speculate on whether SoFi might consider opening limited physical locations in the future to cater to specific customer needs. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.